Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are well and good. In our last class, we have discussed about types of sentences. So, how many types of sentences are there? There are four types of sentences. What are they? One is assertive sentence, which we can call it as affirmative or declaration sentence. So the first one is assertive sentence, second is interrogative sentence, third is imperative sentence, fourth is exclamatory sentence. So I have explained you very detailedly about these types of sentences, giving you the definitions and examples for each type of sentence. So, I asked you to write them neatly in your notes and I asked you to send, but no one is sending me. But if you don't write, you will be losing it. Why? Because this grammar is very useful for you, not only in your school level, but it is also useful in your further education. Without knowing proper grammar, you can't write nor speak properly. So I want you to listen and write them neatly in your notes, and write it in a sequence. Don't mix it here and there, don't write here and there. Write in a proper order in your notes. Okay, today we are moving to the new topic. It is articles. So what are articles? A and the are called articles. So you all know what are articles, a and the. So how we will use these articles, I'll give you three examples for each. So he is a student. What I am telling here, he is a student. So here the noun is student. I'm talking only about one student. I'm not talking about two. I'm not telling students. I'm telling he is a student. So for singular noun, we'll be using a. Whereas in the second one, he is an intelligent student. You may be thinking, Miss, student is also again here singular only. Then why we are writing an here? So I'll tell you why. Because in the first sentence I have only explained you that he is a student. Whereas in the second sentence, what I am telling, he is an intelligent student. How the student is? He is an intelligent. So in before all, you all know what are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. If the word is starting with vowel, then we will be using an. Yes or no? So that's why I am using an example here. He is an intelligent student. Third, he is the student who got the first rank in examination. What I am telling here, he is the student who got the first rank in examination. You may be thinking, Miss, here also student. We are not having students. Then why we are writing the in before the student? So why we are writing here is, we use the before the names of special or indefinite or particular things. So here I am telling you about the particular thing. What is that? He is the student who got the first rank in examination. So that's why I am using the. So again, these articles are divided into two types. There are two types of articles. First one is indefinite article, second is definite article. So here I have given you in detail along with the definition and the examples. You can see here. First one, indefinite article. A or an is called indefinite article. They are used before a singular countable noun. They give meaning of one single per. So what it is explaining about, indefinite articles are a and an. A and are indefinite articles. So when they are used before singular countable noun. Again, what is this countable noun? I'll tell you in the next topic, you can see first, you can see this. So these a and an is called indefinite articles. They are used before a singular countable noun, and they give meaning of one or single or per. Means they are used. Countable means which we can count by giving numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So it is telling that it is used before a only single countable noun. In before the single countable noun only we can write a or an, and it gives the meaning of one or single. So see the example here. Suresh is a teacher. Here Suresh is a teacher. Teacher is singular. Yes or no? So here we are writing a. We went to a hotel. I'm not talking about hotels. I'm talking about hotel. Hotel is also a singular one. So we went to a hotel. Next, Mahesh is an orphan boy. What is Mahesh? He is an orphan boy. Why I am using an here? Because the vowel word, this orphan word is starting with a vowel letter. Orphan. So that's why I'm using an. Mahesh is an orphan boy. Next, she bought an umbrella. Again here also umbrella is an vowel. Means U is an vowel. That's why I'm using an before umbrella. She bought an umbrella. So this is what indefinite article is. Next one is definite article. The is called definite article because it is used before the names of special, indefinite or particular things. So what they are telling, the is a definite article and it is used before the names of special, indefinite and particular things only. So here for example you can see Ramesh came from the USA. Particular things. From where he came? USA. Rajesh came from the USA. The sun rises in the east. Where does the sun rise? The sun rises in the east. It rises in the east only. So, sun rises in the east. Next, Sita likes to play the violin. What Sita likes to play? She likes to play the violin only, not the other one. So, Sita likes to play the violin. These are particular things. Yes or no? So, this is what about definite article. So, again coming to basic concepts. Under basic concepts, again you have two types. Singular number or plural number, countable noun and uncountable noun. So while explaining you about definite article, indefinite article, I told you that we'll be having countable noun, singular countable noun. So what they are now I am going to tell you. See here, first singular number, plural number. So singular number is book. Why I'm talking about only one book, that's why it is singular number. Books, I didn't give you how many books are there. Books means more than one, means we call it as books. So it is plural. Class, classes. City, cities. Ox, oxen. Child, children. Man, men. Knife, knives. So here these four words, ox, child, man, knife, they change when they come to plural. In singular they are oxen, plural oxen, ox, oxen. Whereas in singular we call it as child, whereas in plural children. But some people, what you will be doing? Children's. Those children's are talking, you will tell. You shouldn't say children's because children is a plural one. Again there is no need to say children's. So child is singular and children is plural. Man is singular, men is plural. Knife, Knife, you can see the change of spelling here. Knife. In singular form, you have KNIFE, whereas in plural form, KNIVES, knives. Okay, so these are some differences of singular number and plural number. Now, coming to the second one, countable noun and uncountable noun. So, what are they? We will see. Countable noun are book, pen, boy, student, girl, city. We can count them, means we can count how many books are there, how many pens are there, how many boys are there in the class, how many students are present in the class, how many girls are there in the class, how many cities are there. Like that we can count. We can count them by giving number 1 2 3 4 5. So these are called countable nouns. See the uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are water, machinery, sugar, oil, information, furniture, bread. So you may be thinking, no ma'am, we will weigh them, no, water as 1 liter, but we can't count each drop. Yes or no? We can't count like books 1 2 3. We will count some volume of bottles, like that, means in which it is stored. We can count them, but we can't count water. Machinery also we can't count. Sugar, can we count those crystals? No. Oil? No. Information, can we count information? No. Furniture. Bread, you may be thinking, we can count 1 2 3. It have different slices in a pack. We are telling it as slices, but the whole, by adding all the slices, it will be a one bread. Okay, so we call it as bread, we don't say it as slice. Okay, so uncountable nouns are water, machinery, sugar, oil, information, furniture, bread. So I hope you all have understood the topics. I want you to write them neatly in your notes, and I want you to send me without fail. And we'll be continuing the remaining part of the lesson in our next session. Thank you. Have a good day.